guys!
Hi! It's ShaeLee and Miranda from Sparkle.
Today we're going to be talking about the Bend products. So ShaeLee, I think you had a few questions.
Yeah, so what exactly is Bend Beauty?
Okay, so the Bend products, they're local out of Nova Scotia, so it's always important to support local. There's two different ones. There's the Bend Omega-3 supplement as well as the Bend Collagen. So they do different things, but essentially this would be your omega-3 supplement, although it has other benefits as well. So they are both skincare products, but depending on your needs, you might be one more than the other. The collagen powder, I find that one's really popular. A lot of people use it daily, but we like to use it in conjunction with a treatment that requires building of collagen, all of that. So they're two amazing products, and if ever you have questions, we can let you know more with a consultation.
Perfect.
All right.
Bye. Bye.